money, money, come to me. By this spell I set myself free. I release all doubt, worries, and fear, embracing a mind that abundantly clear. By the law of attraction I draw near opportunities for wealth to appear. I attract money with every thought and deed, planting seeds of abundance, fulfilling my needs. I am deserving, I am worthy, this I claim. To receive financial blessings I aim. By my own actions I pave the way to a future of abundance that comes to stay. Remember, dear self, to take action with grace, to seize opportunities, leaving no trace. Combine this spell's power with effort and might, and watch as money's blessings take flight.